Hey guys, Chris here. Working with the Smith machine today. Front military presses. Hernia without surgery. Always exercise with your belt. Military presses on the Smith machine. Back's tight against the chair. My legs are down, planted to the floor. No pressure on the hernia. I've been doing this for 14 years. I'm 65 years old. I'm going to continue to work out for the rest of my life. So can you. We're going to take the Smith machine, since we're there, and we're going to start doing rear shoulder delts. Basically, it's the same as the military press. Back's tight against the wall. Legs are planted, hernia belt on. Having fun, feel good. If I can do it, you can do it. My book, Hernia Without Surgery, has a lot of details in it. Have a good day, guys.